Okay, so now we have another windy one. Our storm that's brewing. Oh, it just looks blue clouds. The birds are saying something for certain. All the horses are basically come, let's walk on. Corner, corner, corner. I know I'm doing it with one hand, but corner nonetheless. Corner, corner, stay in the arena. Come on. Uh-oh. Horse is running. Good, stay, yeah. X. Turn down center line. Not X, what is that? I turn down center line. X, continue. Oh. Halt. Salute. We're also going to look. It's not Chantalisa's parents. She's got a different car. Straight horse. Salute. Oh, dude, you're so handsome. Yeah. Riding on the buckle. Leave arena on the buckle. Oh, don't go fast because now you want to go. Oh, okay. Wait. You're not leaving. I know I said it, but that doesn't mean that you must do it. It's that same song. Wind, wind, blow on me. Wind, wind, set me free. Wind, wind, Father sent the blessed Holy Spirit. Da-da-da-dum-dee-da-da. La-dee-da-doo-dum-doo. Dee-an-to-dee-da-dee-doo. Father sent the blessed Holy Spirit.